What's up, guys? It's your boy Marnie, and I'm here with my mom.
Cass!
Yes.
Right here.
Yes, guys. And today we know you have been waiting for us. So today, guys, we're here with the water splash challenge.
Yes, guys. And we are going to ask. This is just similar like to the Smack or Fact challenge. Only this time we're going to play with. We're going to play with balloons full of water.
Balloon,
So, guys, we're gonna ask 6 questions.
6 questions. She don't know them.
I don't know them. He don't know my questions, right? We write them differently. We didn't sit together to write them, right? So nobody have no clue what we're gonna ask each other. So guys, I have to put on my thing because I don't want my hair, because I have my hairstyle. So I don't want it to get wet. So let me put it on quickly.
Guys, so like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And we're gonna start the challenge now, guys. But she has teeth out the something, guys. Alright, guys, so she done put on her head cap.
Yes, it's here.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I don't know if I play that.
You ask first.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, guys. First question. So me tear up, guys.
I'm nervous,
yeah, because
guys.
we're gonna wait. Wait. Alright. What is my mother's surname? Your grandmother's surname.
Last name?
Yes.
Davis.
Ooh, jeez.
Yeah, ask that.
Alright, guys, one for him.
Who is my best friend as girl?
Eh? Guys, really and truly. Who is his best friend as girl? I don't know.
Answer.
Me don't know.
Guys, she know this, you know?
True, say me don't know. Because of Jody.
Is that the answer?
Me don't know.
Answer. Yeah. Answer.
As girl.
See that, guys? What answer? What answer?
Me don't know. Me don't know. Wait.
Ooh. Guys, she teeth.
Me don't know. True, me don't know. Where are you with that?
I'm telling you.
Who?
Akelia. Birthday.
You two lie.
Swear to God. We can call her now, guys.
Alright. Where are you?
In your head.
No!
Guys, she has teeth.
Me don't know, just think this, but if he at me, I'm going to
Guys, tell her it's active.
Me not done. He can't boss. No one in balloon I can't boss.
Wait, guys.
No, we can't use a balloon. We can't with a challenge and I go work out. I know, boss. Money, my mash up with my phone and the what?
Yes, guys. Soaking wet. Alright, guys.
Alright. No problem, alright. See, my paper wet up. The question, alright. What is the name of my father? The full name, your grandfather.
Guys, we don't know no grandfather.
Really,
guys.
no?
Swear upon God.
You
Never meet no grandfather yet, guys.
You just want me talk about and tell him name all the time. You come.
Guys, this is a thieving.
This I can't thief kind of on the paper. Come on,
Grandfather, let me see the paper.
No, me. Well, you know the funny, so look.
I can't play that, man.
Really, no?
Guys, she never tell me this. I swear.
Don't say swear.
Alright, me not say swear, guys.
Don't say swear.
True. She never tell me.
Come. Where you want it?
Your full name? What about first name alone?
Why first name?
Your name full name.
Why first name?
Your last name, my grand, though.
Why first name?
Oh, God.
Come where you want it?
Me don't know.
Where you want it?
Yeah.
You can't be right. He goes on in a catch him. Guys, I wanna. Where you pinch it?
Hold on, I made that pinchy.
No,
guys.
No. Them are weird, say, man. Me can't bother.
Guys, she don't know if you bust them, guys.
Me don't know if you burst them.
One burst over me head?
Let me get one.
Said it, guys.
Don't do it. Me do it to you. Don't.
Guys, she thief. Guys, what? Queer, guys.
Yes, man. So if you burst.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
See how far I reach. 5 minutes.
Alright. How many times have I sprained my big toe?
Huh? Me ratty, that's why I don't know that.
Yes, guys.
How much time you sprain a big toe?
Left big toe.
2 times. 2 times.
She right, guys.
Of course, man. So you took up balloon boat.
Play football.
Tell me you.
I sprained 2 times. Come on, guys.
Cold.
Alright.
Alright. How old was mommy when she died?
Jesus Christ.
How old was mommy when she died?
46.
How old? That's your final answer? How old was mommy when she died? How old was mommy when she died?
Final answer, guys.
How old was mommy?
Final answer.
Wrong. No, man.
Mama, hold you over my head and juke it. Don't let it go and juke it.
Alright. All me went up. 52.
52?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's see. Time ago. We don't want it long.
What are my 2 favorite ice cream flavors?
Jesus Christ. Help Jesus, help. Give me cool.
Only right one.
No, me cool. Favorite ice cream flavor?
2 of them. Fire.
Rum and raisin. And coffee rum cream.
No.
Well, me no know
Cookie
them.
and cream, mommy.
Ah, cookie and cream, if you say. I missed it. I missed
Alright, guys. Guys. Yes, guys. yes. Come in.
Alright.
Come on, guys. Clear. Yeah?
Alright, that's 3 questions we have.
Jesus.
What is the name of our WhatsApp group? The one that you're in?
Administrators.
No, what's up?
The
Why
one
name?
you know?
The one where Wallawi na. Me and Ronaldo. Ruth Wallawi. Why name? Because you can't have one group and I know your name.
I mean,
Why name? Give me
guys, I don't remember.
Give me mistake.
Administrators.
Yeah, Ruth. Because he not participating, don't know.
I lie. I true, me no mark group name, guys.
Jesus.
We just know say something about administrators.
Alright. Why name?
Christ administrators.
Final
No,
answer?
ambassadors for Christ.
Wrong.
It's switch. Administrators for Christ. Trying to get
Final
around
answer?
it. Yeah.
Ambassadors United.
A thief and a thief. A switch and a switch.
No, that's enough for your name. For your...
Alright?
Face on your bun myself.
What do I want to be in the future?
Money? First thing say I want to be soldier. Doctor.
No, man. Pass.
Man, yeah, doctor say I want to be.
No,
I mean, you want me call the father up on the phone?
Architect. Ask daddy.
Me no know about
Why me not
architect.
TD? Architect. Guys, a 2 balloon alone left, you know,
Oh,
guys.
Jesus, I'm going to late. Alright.
We might pause the video and come back, guys. Right.
Do yours.
Yes, guys, you 2 teeth. Come in. Ask me the question. I'll be a wet up and go on about now get an answer right.
Alright.
That one, Ellie?
My last question this.
No, guys. Pause the video and go for 2 more. We have 2 more.
Which day, the date, did I leave Jamaica for Trinidad?
A rubbish that.
That I can't rubbish because you come here
Me?
with me.
Yeah, 2019.
2019, which date?
Guys, you're unfair. She
No,
can't
which
ask me
day? Which
guys.
day? You're pretty though, curly up.
Give me one hint.
No, you say I'm here, but I'm here. Which day?
I'm here 2019.
That the day I shouldn't
It
forget
done.
neither.
We can't finna forget that, mommy.
No, so cool.
I'm here 2019.
Why date? Guess something.
You can't get something I'm in knowing.
Guess something.
Just not say that for me.
30. Come on.
30.
Come on, come cool man wanna go be.
Alright, guys, May 16.
Wrong. That got the boss.
The boss, guys.
No lie, give me. You two thief. Give me no man and don't bursty. Give
Guys,
me something,
look.
money. Give me something, no. Sure.
Guys, I'm gonna pause the video and go for more, guys.
Me at 12. And the video done. We done, guys.
No, guys. Me want revenge. Because she
See,
has
use
more
the bucket
question.
of water.
Alright.
That you have to ask a question. Last question.
Last question.
Last question because 10 minutes. I'm never want to pass 10 minutes. Hurry.
What was my role in my class in grade 9?
In grade 9?
What badge did I have?
You only have no badge.
Me did have one badge. Which badge?
Prefect.
No, guys! She close!
Oh, class monitor. Oh,
no,
class monitor.
No, she wrong.
Yes!
Peer counselor. Come in. What's up, guys? Yes, guys. Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you're done with laughter.
Team Money.
Team Cast.
Team Money, guys. Everybody know.
Team Cast, guys. Because this boy is so thief. But anyway, love you guys. Please like the video. Share. Comment.
Subscribe.
Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend about
and
us.
And another friend. Tell a friend.
And
yes, guys.
Help us to get to 1,000 likes. Peace. We are
out.